Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download local send into your computer in a very simple way. You can see local send is a very file sharing app and you can simply use it for your Windows, Linux, Mac, iOS and Android. So what you can do, just simply go for any of your favorite browser and then here you just need to type local send and then you will get a suggestion for local send PC and then you just need to click on this website called localsyn.org. So if you click on that, then you need to select this download option, and from here you just need to select your operating systems. There is different operating system called macOS, Linux, and Android, iOS that I told you. Simply click on Windows, click on exe file, and after a short time the download will be started over here. And you can see the download is completed, and now we will going to minimize the browser and going to drag the download over here, and you will get this download exe file over here. So if you click on that, there will be a permission instead of all users. Click on yes, click OK, create a desktop shortcut, click next, install, and you can see the installation is completed. And now if you click on finish and check the launch local send, it will open the local send in a very simple way. You can see, click on allow, and now you can simply share any file to your PC, your iOS, Linux, macOS, any of your device. So this is how you can download and install local send for your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.